Day 6, Noosa to Bundaberg, 351 kilometres. Noosa. It's easy to see the appeal. Beautiful beaches, open water, amazing views, great cafe culture. As nice as the surrounds were at Noosa, we weren't here to soak up the sunshine on the beach.
Leaving Noosa this morning, day 6, we're heading across to Bundaberg, home of the rum distillery. We've got an interesting spread of riding today. We're getting sort of in a bit of a rainforest area this morning, and then as we get further north or halfway through the day today, we're starting to get into that open Queensland cattle country, and a little bit dry, a little bit more barren maybe. But there's plenty of agriculture up around Childers, which makes for some nice scenery. So looking forward to it, should be good.
We need to explain Damo, but he is a little hard to explain. Damien normally runs the media website ADV Life, but for this week, he's part of our media crew capturing epic still photos.
I thought I'd have a rest. It's difficult to reach down, put the side stand down when you're this tired. You need more fluid to do that sort of activity. So I found a rut, and that's holding the Ducati perfectly. This is well planned.
The second part of our media crew is Jordan from Flightcraft. Jord is a gun drone pilot and knows how to craft a visual story. I've always said the media guys have the toughest job on our tours. They may goof around, but these men behind the lens know their stuff. They have to ride with a filthy big pack on their back, stop, shoot, and get moving again. It may mean for sketchy overtakes at times, but the results are worth it.
You can't offer that much to me, or you can't offer change, can you? I can't offer that much to you. Having it out, living it up with no defenses. Down the road and talking up in different tenses. Call my friends and tell the only one that answers. It's hard to live, but the same. I'm over it. I can't quit. I'm over it. Such a life. I can't quit.
Bundaberg may be the home of the famous rum distillery, but it doesn't mean a cold beer was off the menu.
You can't offer that
narrow track. What was it, Promised Land, the second last one I think it was? She was a bit snotty and steep, and yeah, that was hard. That was some of the hardest riding I've ever done. But yeah, it was good fun.
Conditions are surprisingly good out there, aren't they? I'm happy. Where we go tomorrow is basically past Croombit Tops National Park, a great spot on the Great Dividing Range. It's great country and it's a whole different climate up there once you get up high. It's close to 1,000 metres, 950 metres up there, and the climate really changes. After Gin Gin, you'll see there's Bulboonda Tunnel. This is really cool. It's an old railway line that we ride through a rock-carved tunnel, and it's got 1,000 bats in it. As you ride through the tunnel, they get rolled up by the Acropovic exhaust and they start flittering around all over the place. Last time I went through there, I had one smack me in the side of the helmet. So pull your visor down as you go through. There are thousands in there.